In this tutorial, we'll use Python and Spire.XLS to convert an Excel workbook into a fixed layout PDF that is ready to share. Excel to PDF conversion gets tricky when wide worksheets spill across pages, print settings change the layout, or a manual export process has to be repeated for many workbooks. Spire.XLS handles the conversion directly in Python. You can export the full workbook or an individual worksheet, then adjust page settings to control how the PDF is laid out. Getting started is straightforward. Install the package with pip, import the package so the script can create a workbook, load the source file, and export it as a PDF. Here's the complete conversion in just a few lines. Create a workbook object and load your Excel file. Call Save to File with file format.pdf, then close the workbook to release resources. Here is the workbook before conversion and the generated PDF afterward. The result turns the spreadsheet into a fixed layout document that is easier to distribute and view consistently. For more control, export only the worksheet you need, set its margins before saving, or enable sheet fit to page so a wide table stays within a single PDF page width. That's the complete Excel to PDF workflow. Try it with your own workbook, then tune the worksheet and page options to produce the layout your readers need.